Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cooking a warm bowl of Campbell's chicken noodle soup is remarkably easy and comforting. First, you will need a standard 12-ounce can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup. Make sure you also have an empty can to accurately measure 1 full can of water for dilution. Finally, grab a medium saucepan, a reliable stirring spoon, and your favorite soup bowl. Begin by carefully opening your can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup with a can opener. Gently pour the entire contents, which is condensed, into your medium saucepan. Next, take that empty soup can and fill it precisely once with cold tap water. Pour this water into the saucepan with the condensed soup, ensuring a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. Place your saucepan with the soup mixture onto a stovetop burner. Turn the heat setting to medium-high, allowing the soup to warm up gradually. Remember to stir the soup occasionally, perhaps every 20 or 30 seconds, to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Continue heating until the soup reaches a gentle boil, which means you will see small bubbles breaking the surface. Once the soup begins to boil, immediately reduce the stovetop heat setting to low. Let the soup simmer gently for just about 1 minute. This helps to fully heat the noodles and chicken pieces. Give it one last good stir before carefully pouring the hot soup into your chosen serving bowl. Be mindful of the steam and the heat of the bowl as you transfer it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.